Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. How many Earths can fit inside each planet in our solar system? It's a question that captures the imagination, forcing us to confront the vast scales of the cosmos and the surprisingly small space our own planet occupies. We're not just talking about flat cutouts here, people. We're talking about cramming the entirety of Earth, with its molten core, its swirling oceans, and its towering mountains, into the voluminous spheres of our planetary neighbors. Get ready for some mind-blowing cosmic comparisons. Let's embark on this journey through our solar system, starting with the smallest, but no less fascinating, planet Mercury. Our journey begins with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Now, Mercury is a tiny thing, zipping around our star like a hot metallic marble. It's actually the smallest planet in our solar system, even smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede. You might think that because it's so small we could barely fit any Earths inside it. But remember, we're talking about volume here, the amount of three-dimensional space something takes up. And believe it or not, you can actually squeeze about 18 Earths inside Mercury. That's right, 18 copies of our entire planet tucked away inside this little celestial speedster. It's a reminder that even the seemingly smallest objects in space can hold surprising volumes. Next up is Venus, often called Earth's twin because of their similar sizes. Venus is shrouded in a thick toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Now, because Venus is so close in size to Earth, you might think we could fit a lot of Earths inside. But remember, it's all about the volume. And when it comes to Venus, you can actually fit a little more than one Earth inside it, about 1.2 to be more precise. That means if you took all the stuff that makes up Earth and crammed it into Venus, you'd have a little bit of room to spare. It's a reminder that even seemingly similar planets can have subtle differences in their makeup. Well, this one is a bit obvious, isn't it? Earth, our home, the pale blue dot, the only place we know of that harbors life. It's the perfect size for us with just the right gravity, atmosphere, and temperature to support life as we know it. And of course, because we're talking about fitting Earths inside Earth, the answer is a resounding one. We fit perfectly inside our own planet, taking up every nook and cranny with our oceans, continents, and everything in between. It's a good reminder to appreciate the unique and precious nature of our own planet. Next, we journey to Mars, the red planet, a cold, dusty world that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. It's smaller than Earth, but don't let that fool you, it's still a pretty big place. So how many Earths can we squeeze into Mars? Well, it turns out you can fit a little over 6 Earths inside Mars, about 6.1 to be exact. That means if you took all the rocky material, the ice caps, and everything else that makes up Mars, you could create 6 Earths and still have some leftover Martian dust. It makes you wonder, if we ever do terraform Mars, will we have enough material to create a truly Earth-like environment? Now we're entering the realm of the gas giants, starting with Jupiter, the king of our solar system. This massive planet is a swirling vortex of clouds, storms, and gases, so large that it's more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. So how many Earths can we fit inside this behemoth? Brace yourselves, because the number is staggering. 1,300 Earths. That's right, you could take 1,300 Earths, line them up, and stuff them inside Jupiter like packing peanuts. It's a mind-boggling concept that truly illustrates the immense scale of the cosmos. And to think, Jupiter is just a tiny speck compared to some of the other giants out there in the universe. Next up is Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. This gas giant is famous for its stunning system of rings, made up of countless particles of ice and rock. But let's not forget about the planet itself, which is no slouch in the size department either. You can fit a whopping 764 Earths inside Saturn. That's right. Imagine stuffing 764 Earths inside a giant cosmic snow globe, complete with swirling rings of ice and dust. It's a sight that would surely make Galileo proud. And to think, we've only scratched the surface of understanding this enigmatic gas giant. Now we come to Uranus, the ice giant that's tilted on its side, rotating at a nearly 90-degree angle compared to the other planets. It's a strange and fascinating world with a faint ring system and a frigid atmosphere. While not as large as Jupiter or Saturn, Uranus is still a giant in its own right. In fact, you can fit about 63 Earths inside this icy behemoth. That's right, imagine 63 Earths, all huddled together for warmth inside Uranus's frigid embrace. It's a chilling thought, but it highlights the vastness of this often overlooked planet. And with its unusual tilt and mysterious atmosphere, Uranus is sure to hold many more surprises for us to uncover. Our final stop takes us to Neptune, the outermost planet in our solar system. This blue giant is a world of storms and high winds with a frigid atmosphere and a faint ring system. Similar in size to Uranus, Neptune can accommodate a still impressive 57 Earths within its voluminous depths. Imagine 57 Earths swirling around inside Neptune's turbulent atmosphere, buffeted by its powerful winds. It's a reminder that even at the edge of our solar system, there are worlds of unimaginable scale and wonder waiting to be explored. Who knows what secrets lie hidden beneath Neptune's azure clouds, waiting for us to unravel them. So there you have it, a cosmic journey through our solar system, exploring the vastness of our planetary neighbors and the surprisingly small space our own planet occupies. From the tiny hot world of Mercury to the massive swirling storms of Jupiter, we've seen how Earth measures up to the other planets in our cosmic neighborhood. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.